Hey everyone, are you ready to dive into the world of cybersecurity? I've got some exciting news for you. IIMT College of Engineering and the Future Crime Research Foundation, also known as FCRF, have just launched a free Cybersecurity Online Internship Program. And guess what? You can apply right now. This fantastic Digital Forensics and Incident Response, or DFIR internship program is kicking off on Friday the 14th of June 2024 at 10:00 a.m. It's a hybrid setup, meaning you can learn from the comfort of your own home while still getting that crucial hands-on experience. And here's something really cool. This program is supervised by the esteemed Prof. Triveni Singh, an ex-IPS and chief mentor at FCRF. With his vast experience in technology crime management, you're guaranteed a top-notch learning experience. In the DFIR Center of Excellence, there's a state-of-the-art 100-seater lab equipped with the latest tools and technologies. Here you'll dive deep into various aspects of digital forensics like malware analysis, e-discovery, and even OSINT. Now let's break down what this program covers, from cybercrime scene investigation to network forensics, malware forensics, cloud forensics, and digital forensics. We'll also explore OSINT, e-discovery, and data breach forensics, plus mobile device forensics, forensic audit, and even quantum cryptography. We're not stopping there. We'll also look into Steganography, Deepfake Detection, AI-enabled crimes, and Fintech Crimes. This program runs for 2 months with lectures for 2 hours, 3 days a week. Oh, and there's even an option for offline classes where you can join practical demos on Zoom. Upon successful completion, you'll receive a joint certificate from IIMT College of Engineering and FCRF, enhancing your career prospects in the cybersecurity DFIR domain. So what are you waiting for? Apply now and secure your spot in this transformative program. Do check out the link provided in the description. If you have any queries, you can hit up DFIRCO at imtindia.net. Don't miss this chance to gain valuable hands-on experience in cybersecurity. Apply today and step into the future of digital forensics. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive content like this. Catch you in the next one. Ends with upbeat music fading out.